a new Nissan Murano is expected to replace the third-generation model. These spy photographs reveal Nissan's fourth-generation two-row midsize SUV, which should launch in 2025. With slim front headlights, a kicked-up C-pillar, and a sharply angled rear hatch, the new Murano looks like a luxury SUV coupe from the luxury segment. Black 5-spoke wheels suggest Nissan will keep offering the Murano with a midnight special. As with the three-row Nissan Pathfinder, the new Murano will have front-wheel drive as standard and all-wheel drive as an option. The Pathfinder's 3.5-liter V6, which produces 284 to 295 horsepower, will also power the Murano. We hope that Nissan will replace the Murano CVT with the Pathfinder's 9-speed automatic. The Murano may use Nissan's e-Power hybrid technology, which uses an electric motor to power the car and a gasoline engine as a generator. The U.S. market for this system has yet to be announced, but it's already employed in numerous Nissan cars abroad. The 2025 Murano's interior may resemble the Area Electric crossover's luxury interior, but we're still waiting to see it. The new model will include 2 rows of 5-passenger seats and a larger infotainment screen than the present 8.0-inch display. Over the coming few months, Nissan will reveal more about the 2025 Nissan Murano. It'll likely sell for over $30,000 in 2024.